Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. Now we are going to see some examples for articles. In the last videos we discussed about the articles and where we are going to use the articles and what are the rules and conditions, right? And now also we are going to see some more examples for articles. First, add the wherever it necessary. Okay, why we doing lot of exercise on article D? In the sense, only the has a more conditions, so that only we focused on article D. Okay, because A and an, this is also article, but A and an are somewhat easy, right? But on the other hand, D is not like that. It has a more rules and conditions, so that only we discussed more exercise on article D. Okay, here add the wherever if necessary. Okay, here are some sentences. For these sentences, we are going to add the article D wherever it necessary. Okay, they didn't give article D, they missed the article. We are going to add the article wherever it necessary, right? The first one, where is new laptop you got as a prize? Okay, before that article we are going to use article before noun and adjectives, okay, or adverbs. Okay, where is new laptop you got as prize, right? Here D comes here. Where is new laptop? New laptop, okay, a particular one. Before a particular one, we have to use the, right? So here okay, the new laptop. Here we talking about the new laptop, which means a particular one. So we have to use the. Okay. The plane flew over Pacific Ocean. Okay. The plane flew over Pacific Ocean. Here that plane, they given the article here. Plane, a particular plane, and they given the article the. Here flew is a verb. Before verb, we don't need an article. Over Pacific Ocean. Here, this is the name of your ocean. Okay, name of your ocean. Before name of your ocean, we have to use article the. Okay, so the Pacific Ocean. Okay, the Pacific Ocean. Before the name of a river, sea, ocean, we have to use the. For one more, we have to use the before a particular noun. Okay, and third one, in India it rains during monsoon. In India it rains during monsoon. Okay, here in India it rains during monsoon. Monsoon. The particular weather, right? So the monsoon. Which means this also comes under the universal truth, like. Then fourth one, I would like to learn playing guitar. I would like to learn playing guitar. Here, I would like to learn playing guitar. Guitar is the musical instrument. Guitar is the musical instrument. Okay. Before the musical instrument, we have to use article the. So, the guitar. Right, now read the sentence. I would like to learn playing the guitar. Okay. And fifth one, Himalayas have highest peak in world. Okay. In this sentence, we are going to add the article the in three places. Just look, what are the places? Himalayas. Himalayas is a large geographical area. Himalaya is the large geographical area. So before the large geographical areas, we have to use article the. Okay. The Himalayas and have highest the superlative. Highest is the superlative degree. So before superlative also we have to use article the. So the highest think in world. World is a truth. Only one. Okay. So the world. Right now, the cumulative geographical area, the highest superlative, the world. Okay. Universal truth. And sixth one, best man of team got injured. Here, best is the superlative. Best is a superlative. So before superlative, we have to add the best man of team got injured. Okay. And seventh one, Ganga is longest river in India. Ganga is longest river in India, right? So here, Ganga is a river of a, name of a river. Ganga is the name of a river. So the Ganga is longest. Once again, longest is the superlative. So before superlative, we have to use the. Okay, the longest river in India. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Okay, so we learned that where we going to use the article the before a particular thing, and here before a name of your ocean, name of your river, name of the seas, and weathers, directions, 4 directions, then large geographical areas, before superlative, before universal truths, and before the musical instrument, then superlative. Here name of a river, here superlative. Okay, are you clear? These are the rules and conditions where we going to apply the article the. Okay, and the second Roman, what is here? Strike out the mistakes if any. If any mistakes in the sentences means we going to strike out it. Okay, the first one, I was born in the 2000. Okay, what's the difference between first one and second one sentence? Here they missed the article the and we use the article wherever it necessary. Okay, wherever it doesn't necessary the article the, we going to strike out. Okay, I was born in the 2000. Before the year, we don't need the article the. So cancel. I was born in 2000. Then second one, my mother tongue is Hindi. Right? This sentence is right only. There is no error in this. And third one, I like to have chapatis for lunch. Okay, this is also right. And fourth one, I have lunch at the 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock only, not the 2 o'clock. Okay, ma'am? And this is what the conditions to use the article the. And if you want to know how to apply the article a and b, please look at our previous videos. Okay? And thank you so much. The next class we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.